He is a fugitive. He is hiding from the law.
So hi mga Kabs, kumusta? PJTV ako pa ito. Sana sa buting kalagayan at malulusog yung pangangatawan. So, kung hindi ka pa naka-follow, i-follow mo na aking Facebook page, YouTube channel, TikTok account, at huwag kalimutan mag-like and share. Tara, umpisa natin ang video. Nakita ko itong post ni Just. Pastor Apollo Kibuloy is a fugitive. I can feel the sentiments of President Bongbong Marcos as he answered the questions of the press earlier today in an ambush interview. The audacity of the camp of fugitive to question the motive of those who offer to give reward to whoever will help locate the fugitive and cult leader. So, tama naman talaga. Ang kakapal ng mga muka ng mga naniniwala kay Kibuloy na magtanong, bakit may 10 million na reward sa mga katurong nasaan si Kibuloy? Kasi nga nagtatago ang cult leader nyo. Ang cult leader nyo nagtatago. Yung 10 million reward, yung mga katulong yan para talagang meron magpursiging hanapin yan. Kasi nga fugitive nagtatago sa batas. Common sense na lang, di ba? Nasa wanted list pa si Kibuloy. If you really think that Pastor Kibuloy is innocent, ask him to surface and face the cases filed against him. As the famous line of Duterte, followers again, kung wala kang ginagawang masama, bakit ka matatakot? Very correct. Kung inosente si Kibuloy, harapin na niya to para matapos na. Di ba? Ganun lang kadali. Kahit ano kasi nirarason. Delikado daw buhay niya. Sinisiraan daw siya. Kung nagpakita na siya, tapos na to, matagal na. Kaso nga, ang mga nagtatago, guilty. Tama? So what's the point? Ang point ng video ito na dapat talaga lumabas sa si Kibuloy para matapos na to, para hindi siya masabing nagtatago at masabi rin niya ang side niya. Tapos, Tapos kung ano-ano mga nirarason nyo, kung sino nagbigay ng 10 million na pabuya, sa kanyo na malalaman yan pag nagpakita na si Kibuloy. Ewan ko sa inyo talaga. Ito yung video.
This arrest, bakit okay tumanggap ang government donation from the private sources?
Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi? They want to help us bring a fugitive to justice. You know, he is a fugitive. He is hiding from the law. Now, if there are private citizens who want to assist the government in that effort to bring him to justice, I do not see what is any. So he can question their motives as much as they want, but magpakita siya. I question his motives. Let me question his motives. Bakit lagi kaming kine-question? Sinusundan lang namin ang batas. Sundin din niya ang batas. Yun lang.
Last question, Cantelino.
Morning, sir. Light topic from that heated question. A lot of people were surprised when Bimbi and Joshua Aquino visited the First Lady yesterday.
So he can question their motives as much as they want. But magpakita siya. I question his motives. Let me question his motives. Bakit lagi kaming kine-question? Sinusundan lang namin ang batas. Sundin din niya ang batas. Yun lang.
Last question.